Okay, so here is the cylinder head, and regarding the valves and their seals, I've seen online that many tools are needed, but all you need is just one socket, rags, and some spray. You just press and cover the rag so that it doesn't take off somewhere, and then just remove the two safeties. So let's see how it's removed. As we have sprayed, we just cover the rags, compress, and keep pressing until you feel that the spring has extended. Once it has extended, you just grab it like that. Then a nice trick is to simply take some paper, wrap it up, and write which number is the valve. Let's say number 8. In that way you don't lose the order. In the same, you will remove all the valves, 12 valves for this particular cylinder head, and after you have installed the seal, you can reinstall it back with the same socket.